Students, suppose I write one AP. For example, I am writing one AP 5, 10, 15, 20. This is an AP. Difference is 5. First term is 5 and difference is 5. 5, 10, 15, so on. That is an AP. So in this, the question is, any term we can find. Suppose this is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 10th term, suppose if you want. 10th term we can find, that is 10th term is equal to A plus 90, 1 less than this. A is 5 plus 9 into difference is 10 minus 5 is 5. So 9 5 the 45 plus 5 50. So 10th term is 50. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. See, 10th term is 50. Like that, without writing any term we can find using this formula. Nth term is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. We use this formula extensively in the first exercise and in the second exercise. In second exercise, each and every problem we use this formula. So without this also directly we can write 10th term means it will be 10 means 9 we will get. Same formula directly writing. So any term we can find. Now the question is, what is the sum of 10 terms? Sum of all 10 terms is asked. Sum means if this is an arithmetic progression, find the sum of all these terms. 5 plus 10 plus 15 plus 20 plus 25 plus 30 plus 35. Like that, add all the 10 terms. So it is a lengthy process. To add the arithmetic number of terms in arithmetic progression, we have one formula. So that formula we are going to learn now, and using that formula we can complete the third exercise. That is the last formula for the in progression. That is the last formula. So write down that formula, sum of terms, sum of n terms formula. Nth term formula is A plus n minus 1 into D. Sum of n terms in AP. So write down the formula. Write down sum of n terms in AP is this is the sum formula. Sn is equal to sum of n terms is denoted by Sn. What is Sn symbol? Sn means sum of n terms. Sum of n terms formula is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. In this you know what is a. A is the first term. D is the common difference. Already you know. N is number of terms in that series. So in the previous example there were 10 terms. So we can find the sum of 10 terms without actually doing, directly using the formula. We can find the sum of 10 terms like that. Suppose if you are given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on 100. If you are asked to add, what is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 up to 100? How to add this? So we can use this formula. Directly we can find without actually adding, means it is very lengthy. So directly we can use this formula to find the sum. If the numbers are in perfectly in AP, then sum of n terms formula is like this. So this is the formula, students. But let us prove this formula. Let us prove this formula. How this formula, how we got this formula, let us prove. So proof. How we got this formula, let us prove. Write down. Let proof. Let A be the first term. A be the first term. A be the first term and n, small n. A be the first term and D be the common difference. Let A be the first term, D be the common difference of an AP. A be the first term and D be the common difference of an AP. Actually, we need no need of introducing. In every AP, A is the first term, D is the common difference. Just for steps, so to get some steps, I introduce that first statement. A be the first term and D be the common difference of given AP. Then the AP is, what is the first term? A. What is the second term then? A plus D, second term. Third term, A plus 2D. So on. What is the last term? A plus n minus 1 into D. Last term. A plus n minus nth term. Nth term. So first let A be the first term, D be the common difference of an AP. Then n terms of the AP are n terms of the AP are n terms of the AP are A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D. So on. Last term is A plus n minus 1 into D, because we are assuming that this series is having n terms. So last term is A plus n minus 1 into D. Their sum. I am adding these terms because we have to derive the formula sum. So sum is denoted by symbol Sn. I am adding this. See here. A plus. What is the second term? A plus D plus. Third term A plus 2D plus. So on. Last term A plus n minus 1 into D. Last term A plus n minus 1 into D. See here, first term is A, second term is A plus, I am adding them. First term plus second term plus third term plus fourth term plus so on, last term. Same I am writing in reverse order. Even if write in reverse order also, no change in the value, because plus means 2 plus 3, 3 plus 2, both are equal. So writing in reverse order. See here, same I am writing in reverse order. Don't write, see the writing in reverse order, the last term will become the first one. What is the last term? A plus n minus 1 into D, the last term. Plus so on. This will become the last one. Reverse, I am writing in reverse. A plus D, so on, don't write A plus n minus 1 into, I am writing in reverse order. For your understanding, I will write one more term before this. If this is A plus n minus 1 into D, what is the term before this? A plus n minus 2 into D. If you want one more term before this, A plus n minus 1 into D. Before that, A plus n minus 2 into D, A plus n minus 3 into D, like that. If you write in reverse order, the last term I wrote here. Last but one I will write here. So on. This I wrote here. If you want this term, it will be the last but one term. See, very simple, don't get confused. You know the terms of the AP. First term is A, second term is a plus d, third term is a plus 2d, last term is a plus n minus 1 into d. You know, that is the basic of arithmetic progression. I am adding all these numbers, a plus, second term plus, third term plus, last term plus. For your understanding, just I wrote one more term before that. What is the term? This is n minus 1 means this next, before it will be n minus 2d. So I am adding all these terms and denoted by symbol Sn. Adding all the terms, and what is the symbol I am using? Sn. Same Sn I am writing in reverse order. Last term as first term, last but one second. Second term will become last but one, first term will become last term. Same series I wrote in reverse order. Take this as 1, take this as 2. Now add 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2. Sn plus Sn, 2 Sn. Adding 1 and 2. These two I am adding, that's all. Sn plus Sn is 2Sn. This plus this. This plus this. Add these two. A plus n minus 1 into d plus a. A plus a, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Adding these two. A plus a, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Plus. Add these two. Add these two. Here also a plus a, 2a. Same we will get. A plus a, 2a, d common, n minus 2 plus 1. Same we will get, n minus 1d. Any two terms, any two consecutive terms, if you add, same we will get, a plus a, 2a plus n minus 1. These two if you add, you will get this. Even if you see the last also, see the last one. A plus a, 2a. A plus a, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. All the terms, see here, a plus a, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. How many such? Every times 2a plus n minus 1 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. If you add the third and third, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Last, but if you add these two also, you will get same. No need of simplification, just this is enough. If you add these two also, you will get same. If you add the last also, you check a plus a, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That means all terms are same terms. How many terms we have? N terms. So on n terms. Suppose same number is added n times. What is the answer? Suppose 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 10 times if you add. 5 is added 10 times. What is the answer? 10 into 5. 5 is added 10 times. Answer is 10 into 5. Same number is added how many times? N times. Answer is n into each number. If same number is added 10 times, 10 into that number. If it is added 20 times, 20 into 5. If this is added how many times? N times. Same number is repeated how many times? N times. So answer is n into each number. So then take 2 that side. That is our formula derivation. We got the formula. So this is the derivation for the formula. I wrote the formula and I explained how we can derive that formula. So write down this neatly and you practice after the class. See, no confusion. Just you write the AP. What is the AP? First term is A. Next is A plus D. A plus 2D. A plus 3D. Last is A plus n minus 1 into D. Add them. Just put plus. Write second one. Plus. Third one. Plus. Like that. How many terms we have to write? Even first 2 and the last one is enough. But for explanation, I wrote one more term extra. First term, second term. Remaining I am not writing. Last I wrote. One more I wrote. I am taking it as equation 1. Same in reverse order. The last term will become here, this will become here, this will come here, and this will come here. What I am doing? Adding 1 and 2. I am adding these two. I am adding 1 and 2. Sn plus Sn, 2Sn. Sn plus Sn, 2Sn. Adding 1 and 2 means this is 1, this is 2. Sn plus Sn is 2Sn. This plus this. First term we are adding. First if you add, a plus a is 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Add second and second. Same we will get. Add third and third. Same we will get. Add last but one. Same we will get. Add last and last. Same we will get. How many times we will get? N times. Same number is repeated n times means n into that. N into that number. So this is 2Sn, take 2 that side, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, our formula. So this is the formula for sum of n terms. Practice it. Sum of n terms of AP. Sum of n terms of AP. Sum of n terms of AP formula is n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Write down this. Sum of n terms in AP. Sum of n terms of an AP is n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Remember this formula. That side will be the denominator. Students, last exercise in arithmetic progression. Read the question, find the sum of. So all problems same model, sum like that. So before this, I will give one more formula. So sum is equal to, what is the formula? N by 2, 2a plus, I am again writing the formula, sum of n terms formula. Remember this. Just now we derived it. How we got this formula? We derived. And we can get one more formula from this. This is one formula you remember. Next, I am writing 2a as a plus a. I am writing 2a as a plus a. 2a is written as a plus a. A plus a is 2a. So then this becomes n by 2 into a plus A plus n minus 1 into d, this is the formula for nth term. Already we used in the second exercise, this is the formula for nth term. This is the formula for nth term. So some formula is n by 2 into a plus an. This formula also you remember. So sometimes this is also called, this nth term is also called last term. Suppose if a series is having only n terms, the nth term is nothing but the last term. So sometimes we use symbol L also for the last term. Nth term or last term both are same. So suppose L symbol is used. So you can use L also. An also, both are same. Same formula, I wrote this like this. So some formula, actually this is the general formula. But if the last term, nth term is known, we can use this formula also. It is called nth term or also called last term. Last term or nth term, both are same. So we can use the symbol an or al. Write down. This is the first formula, second formula. Both are same actually, or you can name it as third one, where L is the last term. Write down. L is equal to last term. L is equal to last term. L is equal to last term. This formula we derived. This also of course I derived because 2a is written as a plus a. A plus n minus 1 into d is the nth term formula. So a plus a. Same can be done. First term plus this we can call it as a last term also. So last term means let us use the symbol L because in the textbook L symbol is used sometimes. So a plus L. N by 2 into first term plus last term. Now start the problem, students. First question, second question are direct questions. So directly using the formula. Open the textbooks. 150 page number. All of you open 150 page number. Remember these two formulas. These two are same of course. So only two formulas totally. Students, now see the problem exercise 6.3 in this textbook 150 page number. If you are following old textbooks, the page number may be different. So this is 2, 7, 12 up to 10 terms. 2, 7, 12 up to 10 terms. The question is find the sum of the following APs. We have to find the sum of 10 terms. That means 2 plus 7 plus 12. See, 2 plus 7 plus 2, 7, 5 difference. 7 plus 5, 12. Next will be 5 difference, 17. Next will be 22, 22, 27, 32, 37, 42, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 47. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 terms of this AP, 10 terms. So find the sum. How the numbers are formed? 2 is the first number, 5 is added. 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 5, 17, like that. So what is the sum? Suppose if you had 2 plus 7, 9, 11, 18, 20, 27, 29, 36, 38, 45, 4, 4, 8, 12, 15, 18, 20, 22, 23, 24, maybe 245. You do the correction. So, but we are not doing this method. So, we have the formula. See here. What is the first term? 2. What is the first term? 2. What is the difference? Difference is second minus first or third minus second, any difference. Second minus first. 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. 7 minus 2 is 5. First term is this one A. Difference is second minus first. 7 minus 2 is 5. What is the question? I am writing the formula here. Formula. What is the formula for sum of AP? This is the formula for sum of AP. Formula for sum of any number of terms in AP. Just now we derived it. But how many terms are there? 10. N is 10. N is 10. A is 2. A is 2 plus N minus 1. What is N? 10. 10 terms. You write that also. N is equal to 10. That also you write. Why 10? Because we have to find the sum of 10 terms. N is 10 by 2. A is 2 plus N is 10 minus 1 into D. D value 5. D is 5. D is 5. So 10 by 2 is 5 plus 2 plus 10 minus 1 9. 9 5 is 10 minus 1 9. 9 into 5 45. 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 5 is 45. 45 plus 2 is 47. What is 5 into 47? 5 7 is 35. 3 5 4 is 20, 5 7 is 35, 3 5 4 is 20 plus 3 23, 235 answer. So this is 7 2 7 9 11 18 20 27 29 36 38 45 4 4 8 12 15 18 20 22 23 24. Two 7 12 plus 5 17 plus 5 22. Write down this. So let us check. This is 6.3 to 45. Sorry. This is the formula I wrote wrong. 2a. See the formula. Check the formula. Check the formula. A is 2. This is 4. 49 to 40. Check the formula. Just now we derived, no? This is not a. 2a. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Right now. Formula is 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Just now we derived and I gave that, we named it as formula number 1 also. So after getting this, remaining you can do. Do the second problem and check the answer. Second, third, fourth, all you can do. This formula I wrote wrong. It is, I wrote A, but formula is 2A. minus 37, minus 33, minus 29, so on 12 terms. 12 terms. Same procedure. First find A value and D value. Students, find A value and D value, then use this formula. Same formula. Here A is minus 37. First term is denoted by A. Difference is second term minus first term. Second minus first. Be careful with minus signs. Second term is minus 33 minus first. First is minus 37. Second minus first. Second minus first. Minus 33 minus 37. Minus into minus plus. Minus into minus plus 37. 37 minus 33 is 4. 37 minus 33 is 4. How many terms we have to add? 12 terms. N is equal to 12. What is the formula for Sn? N by 2. What is the formula? 2a, not a. This is the formula. What is required? We have to find the sum of how many terms? 12 terms. N is equal to 12. 12 by 2 bracket starts 2 into a is minus 37 plus n is 12. Number of terms are 12. 12 minus 1 into d is 4. Close the big bracket. 12 by 2 is 6. 2 into minus 74. 2 into 34. 74 but minus 74. 12 minus 1 11. 11 into 4 44. 12 minus 1 11. 11 4 is a 44. 6 into 74 minus 44 is 30. Minus is greater. 74 is greater. 74 minus 44 is 30. 74 is greater, so minus is greater. So the answer is 6 into minus 30 is 6 3s are minus 180. 6 into 30 is 180. See the answer? If it is okay, then do one more problem. Minus 180 answer. Terms of this series. Add 100 terms of this series. A is 0.6. First term 0.6. A is equal to 0.6 first term. Difference is second minus first. Second minus first. How much? 1.7 minus 0.6 is 1.1. 1.7 minus 0.6 or 2.8 minus 1.7. Any difference? 17 minus 6 is 11. So decimal is up before one digit, so 1.1. Difference is 1.1. How many terms? 100 terms we have to add. 0.6 plus 1.7 plus 2.8 plus 3.9. Like that 100 terms we are asked, we have to add. For that we have direct formula. So how many terms are there? 100 terms. S 100 is equal to n is, same formula you substitute. N is 100 by 2. 2 into A value is 0.6 plus n minus 1. 100 minus 1 into D is 1.1. So 100 by 2 is 50 into 2 into 6, 12. 12 means 1.2. 2 6 are 12. Decimal before one digit. 100 minus 1, 99. 99 into 11. 99 into 11, that is 1.1. 11 nines are 99. 11 nines are 99 plus 9, 108. So decimal. Then 50 into, add these two. 108.9 in plus 1.2. Add these two. 50 into this. See students, this is the answer. You check it. Simple equation, what you do? Concept is simple. Simple concept. Direct formula. Nothing else. Direct formula. Five 505, correct. Do the next one also, so that for this formula you will get perfect. So 1 by 15, 1 by 12, 1 by 10, 11 terms. Simple. A is 1 by 15. First term. D is second minus first. Second minus first. How to subtract the fractions? Take LCM. What is the LCM of 12 and 15? 12, 15 LCM is 60. LCM. You know LCM, you know how to subtract the fractions. 12 5 times, 15 4 times. So 1 by 60. D is 1 by 60, second minus first. How many terms? 11 terms. 11 terms. So what is the formula? Terms, 11 by 2 into 2a, 1 by 15 plus n minus 1, n is 11. 11 minus 1 into difference is 1 by 60. See the D value. 11 by 2, 2 by 15. 2 into 1, 2 by 15. 11 minus 1, 10. 10 by 11 minus 1 is 10. 10 by 60 is 1 by 6. I wrote directly. Or you write 10 by 60. 11 minus 1, 10. 10 by 60. 0, 0 cancel. 1 by 6. Take LCM 30. Add the fractions taking the LCM. 15, 2 times 2 2s are 4. 6, 5 times 5. Simplify. Do the simplification. Three threes are 3 tens are right. So with this I derived one formula today, that is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the new formula we studied today, and even not only just giving the formula, I derived it. So this formula I derived, and using this formula we solved 4 problems. So I hope you may be perfect with this formula. So let us conclude, students. Stop here. Thank you very much.